On the enchanting slopes of Mount Bromo lies a village rich in culture and tradition. Some people call it by the name of the village above the clouds. The village is Ngadas village. Ngadas village consists of Ngadas hamlet and Jarak Ijo hamlet. The two hamlets live in harmony as their natural life. Tall trees towering, gentle breeze, and sunlight that is sometimes covered in fog. Among the charming natural scenery, there is hidden great potential in the agricultural sector. In this village, farmers are the most dominant profession because they are supported by abundant natural resource. In addition to its natural resource, Ngadas village is also rich in culture, as well as natural tourism that attracts tourists. The enchanting landscapes of Ngadas village captivate international tourists, drawing them to spend their holidays here. This village preserves its rich cultural traditions while its pristine natural scenery delights the eye. The KKNFB team in Ngadas village initiated an ecotourism program aiming to delve deeper into the hidden charms of Ngadas, inviting every soul to experience the mesmerizing beauty in the harmony of culture and nature. This opening activity was held at the Jarak Ijo Hamlet Hall, Ngadas village. This activity was attended by the head of Ngadas village and his staff. This opening activity was carried out with the aim that the community in Ngadas village, especially the Jarak Ijo Hamlet, can find out what work programs will be carried out by the 2024 Faculty of Agriculture, Brawijaya University KKN Group. In addition, at this opening activity, a discussion session was also held with the village official about what problems occurred in Ngadas village, so that we could help find solutions. This opening activity is also symbolic that the 2024 Faculty of Agriculture, Brawijaya University KKN Group is well received by the community in Ngadas village. Nestled among mountains, the village of Ngadas boasts vast agricultural lands with potatoes as its main commodity. Yet, beneath its fertile soil lies a secret. Armed with a pH meter, we measure the land to discover the best crops. This research offers hope for Ngadas farmers to understand the most suitable crops for the future. We aspire for our efforts to help create a brighter future where every drop of farmer sweat yields sweet rewards, ensuring Ngadas remains a blessed land for generations to come. Next, the third activity was held at the Jarak Ijo Hamlet Hall. This was an activity on processing potatoes into Kentang Mustafa and Jimol Kentang. This was followed by an extension activity on UMKM development regarding positioning, branding, visual or packaging, and digital marketing, which was attended by the PKK members of Dusun Jarak Ijo. socializing the importance of product diversification and why product diversification must be carried out, especially in potato processing products, which is then continued with training for the audience on making potato flour and potato noodles. The KKN FPUB team from Ngadas Village attended the Posyandu activities in Ngadas Village. This event was attended by local residents of Jarak Ijo Hamlet, including the elderly, toddlers, and pregnant women. The Posyandu activities were held at the Jarak Ijo Hamlet Hall. Here, the KKN FPUB team from Ngadas Village assisted the PKK mothers in organizing the community members who came for medical check-ups. The next activity was the presentation of the results of the land mapping of Ngadas Village. This activity was attended by the head of Ngadas Village and his staff and lecturers from the Faculty of Agriculture, Brawijaya University. In this mapping presentation activity, it was explained that the map results from the mapping that had been carried out. The maps made were divided into three, namely satellite image maps, land use maps, and soil fertility maps. All types of maps were explained by Mr. Sigit as a lecturer at the Faculty of Agriculture, Brawijaya University. In this activity, a discussion session was also held about the results of the map.
Madara Bulun Basuki Langgeng.
The next activity is a work program in the form of a community service activity carried out at SDN 2 Ngadas. This activity was conducted for 3 days. On the first day, a material presentation was given on professions and cultural diversity. Then, on the second day, it discussed various types of plants. On the last day, English language learning was conducted by Miss Dian. Finally, the activity was closed with the distribution of milk and snacks for the students of SDN 2 Ngadas and the giving of a plaque to the school. This KKN activity was closed with a formal closing ceremony at the Jarak Ijo Hamlet Hall, Ngadas Village. This closing activity was attended by Ngadas Village officials. The symbolic closing was carried out by handing over mementos to representatives of the village apparatus, which were handed over by the village coordinator of the 2024 Faculty of Agriculture, University Brawijaya KKN team. With the closing ceremony, the entire 2024 Faculty of Agriculture University Brawijaya KKN Team Work Program was declared complete. This is the end of our story.
A week ago you said to me, do you believe I'll never be too far? If you're lost, just look for me, you'll find me in the region of the summer stars. fact that we can sit right here and say goodbye means we've already won. The necessity for apologies between you and me, baby, there is none. Oh, we had some good times, didn't we? Oh, we had some good tricks up our sleeve. Oh, goodbye's a bittersweet, but it's not the end. I'll see your face again. You will find me. Yeah, you will find me in places that we've never been, for reasons we don't understand. Walking in the wind, walking in the wind. Yesterday I went out to celebrate the birthday of a friend. But as we raised our glasses up to make a toast, I realized you were missing. Oh, we had some good times, didn't we? Oh, we wore our hearts out on our sleeve. Oh, goodbyes are bittersweet, but it's not the end. I'll see your face again. You will find me. Yeah, you will find me in places that we've never been, for reasons we don't understand. Walking in the wind, walking in the wind. And I know we'll be alright, child. Just close your eyes and see, and I'll be by your side anytime you're needing me. Oh yeah, you will find me. Yeah, you will find me in places that we've never been, for reasons we don't understand. Walking
In every corner of the village, we have carved a trail and story. Thank you, Kakak and Paputi of Agriculture, Ngadas 2024.